Welcome to this tutorial on suffix array construction. Today, we are going to explore one of the most powerful data structures in string processing. By the end of this video, you will understand what a suffix array is, how it is built, and why it is so useful for coding interviews and competitive programming. Before we build the array, let us define what a suffix is. A suffix is simply a substring that begins at a certain position in the text and continues all the way to the end. For example, if our string is code, the suffixes are code, ode, de, and e. A string of length n will always have exactly n suffixes. So, what exactly is a suffix array? It is an integer array that stores the starting indices of all the suffixes of a string, but with a catch. The suffixes are sorted lexicographically, which means alphabetically. It is important to remember that we do not store the strings themselves, just their starting positions, making this very memory efficient. Let us walk through an example with the word banana. First, we identify all the suffixes. At index 0, we have banana. At index 1, anana. Index 2, nana. Index 3, ana. Index 4, na. And at index 5, we have just the letter A. Next, we sort these suffixes alphabetically. Originally, they are ordered by index. But after sorting, the suffix a comes first, followed by ana, then anana, and so on. Notice how the indices move with their corresponding strings. We are rearranging the list based on the text value. This gives us our final suffix array. The values are 5, 3, 1, 0, 4, and 2. This sequence tells us that the smallest suffix starts at index 5, the next smallest at index 3, and the largest suffix starts at index 2. This array is the key to performing fast searches. Here is the code logic for the naive approach. We create a list of objects containing the index and the suffix text. Then, we simply sort this list based on the text string. Finally, we extract the indices to form our result. It is straightforward, but is it efficient? Let us analyze the complexity. A standard sorting algorithm like merge sort takes n log n comparisons. However, comparing two strings can take up to O of n time. Multiplying these together, the total time complexity becomes O of n squared log, and this is acceptable for short strings, but too slow for large datasets. To handle larger strings, we use optimized algorithms. The prefix doubling algorithm reduces the complexity to O of n log squared n or O of n log n by sorting based on the first few characters iteratively. More advanced methods like the DC3 or induced sorting algorithms can even achieve linear time, O of n. Suffix arrays are incredibly versatile. They allow us to perform fast pattern searching using binary search. They are used to find the longest common prefix, which is vital in DNA analysis. They are also fundamental to data compression algorithms like the Burrows-Wheeler transform.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.